Good day, my name is Shoal and I work for Company Micrographics, and we can be found on the web at www.mgfx.co.za. Right, so in this video we'll create a simple floor plan, section and elevation from a simple building. I'll also show if the building changes, how to update those views. Right, okay, so I've got a small simple building over here, and I'll start off by creating the plan. Right, so looking at how to do that, in the Home tab you have this view generation tools over here. The first one is basically just a horizontal section or plan, so I'll click that. It'll ask me to generate the extents. It'll ask me the height of the section plane. I'm going to make it 1.2 meters, and then the depth basically towards the foundations, which is 2 meters. That's fine. Right, now it just asks me for insertion point. I'll just add it to the right over there. Right, so there's the floor plan of the little building. Right, the next up is a section. So I'll go to the vertical section. It'll basically ask me to draw it through the building, which I'll do from left over here to the right hand side over there. Right, I'll press enter and it'll ask me what do I want to see. Perhaps I want to see the top half of that particular item, and it'll ask me to insert it over here. Right, as I do, it adds the particular view. Right, then also it asks me, now I can use exact same a tool to create an elevation, so I'll basically go and do that, creating maybe an elevation of this over here. So I'll just use the same particular tool over here, and looking at the whole building to the top there. Right, insertion point I'll add over here, and there's the basic views. Right, now if anything changes here, so maybe this bedroom gets extended, I'll just kind of pick up the wall over here firstly, and just extend it a little bit. Right, you'll notice that the internal space also changes. Right, but not the roof. So I'll add change the roof as well as the floor. Right, there's a little floor line, and I'll just do the same there. Right, so I'm happy that that's changed. Right, so let's go and look at how to update the views. Right, now in this little tab there's a little refresh current drawing. As I do that, these views will just check the floor plan where it's generated from and then update the particular item. Now just remember that if you do have a section line like this, that section line only covers up to this point. So if your wall moves beyond that particular section line, you just need to increase the width of the section to include all the objects. Right, so basically that concludes the video. Just one final thing that I can mention: the look of these views are determined by a style manager, which we will perhaps cover in a future video. Alright, thank you for watching, and hope you learned how to generate these views. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.